Hey guys, Rick here. Uh, 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 it's finally done my first second note. But this is what I have. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, sorry. I was printing by hand. I will try to move it around. Get stuck. But I'm using the manual settings. So I've set the temperature for the nozzle and the temperature for the bed. They're set to 230 and 67. But for the nozzle, it's playing a bit. It needs to adjust the baby. For the bed, it's taking time to heat up. You can control temperature, and then you for temperature you set the fan speed is at 235, maximum is 250. For the bed is at 67. I haven't set auto temp. We'll do it with time. So yeah, that's it. Please do share, like and subscribe.